be there for me.
I'm gonna teach you how to use Tkinter to create your GUI for your application or project. So this is the part 1 of that tutorial and to that series, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. First, let's talk about what we need. So we need, of course, Python. So my system doesn't support, I think I have the latest version. Okay, so they updated their Python version to 3.8.0, but it works the same. So that's what you only need, Python. Next, let's get started. So I'm gonna code into my what do you call this, text editor, Sublime Text. So I've already created a .py, call this .py file, so I don't now need to create one. So let's type from Tkinter import asterisk. So this just says import all the thing inside of that library. So import all Tkinter module. So let's create a variable. So I'm gonna use, you can create your own variable, but I'll be use screen. So in creating variable, you must be good. For example, you're gonna be making a screen, so make sure the variable must be nearly same or the same. For example, screen. For example, we're gonna be creating a screen today, so I add screen. So screen, just lower this down. Screen equals capital T lowercase k and open close parentheses. So what this does is initialize Tkinter in this variable. So next, let's create now our create our label, because as you can see right over here, we're going to be creating our label. So just type label or any variable again and make sure it's so close. So we're going to use text1 equals capital L and label, and then open close parentheses, and we're going to type the variable that we've created, or where do you want it to be in. For example, I want it to be in the screen, so, or the variable that you have created in here, but for me it's screen, so I'll just type screen, then type text, because we're going to be creating a text at the screen, then type hello, or any text that you want, for example your name or something just like that. So right at the end, type screen dot main loop. Well, even though we don't have, if we remove this main loop, it would run, but it close. After it run this code, it will close this because it will not loop. So that's why we need main loop right here. So after this loop, after Python reads this, and after Python reads this, it will go back at the top, read this again, go to the top, and something just like that. So save this file. So it's in here. So I'm gonna open it into my terminal. So open command prompt right here. So type Python main high. So a window should pop up, but I have 4 gigs of RAM. Sorry. So it should now, as you can see right over here, we have this. So as you can see, our hello world doesn't show up. Why? Because we didn't pack it. So we should type text1.pack. Or if you want to align this, but I really recommend aligning this. So grid, that's how you save this. Make it visible. So because it's actually at the background of the Tkinter window. So let's add text1.grid. So save that, launch it again, and as you can see, we have hello world. So as you can see, it's so little. So what should we do next is create a title first. So let's create a title. So to create a title, it's very easy though. The variable that has to be created right in here for the initialization of the Tkinter. So we need screen. So screen.title, open close parentheses, and quotation marks. Inside of that quotation marks, you're gonna add your title. So the title is gonna be appearing right in here, where the cursor is now. Where is the cursor? There it goes. So we're gonna be in right here. So let's type app number 1. Say that I will launch this game first. So as you can see, if we move this a little bit right here, so you can see it says app number 1. Next is the screen size. So again, screen size is very simple. So let's now go right in here. Here's the variable again, screen dot geometry. It's like some math in Python though. But add a quotation mark again. Then instead of that quotation marks, we are gonna add your screen size. For me, it's 500 by 700. Let's save that. Bunch of this. And as you can see, it does runs. Yeah. So yeah, that's the end of our part 1, and I hope you like it. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, and don't be whack, of course.